Eugene.
I mean, 2 matches, 8 goals, 2 clean sheets.
Yes.
And you better.
Otto Addo and Mrantier, no, Omatiki a very good.
Why are you surprised?
Oh, Metimia Kase, in a way, I was surprised.
Say,
I was surprised in the sense that there have been so many changes with him in him.
Then I'm surprised.
The mommy is surprised and they say the boys put up a wholehearted behavior on the field. In Pimpi, that's not new more in recent times. And Kanka AFCON qualifies in him. And already no you say the changes are GF technical side or Michre Wabra or the list of technical team by any management team. I think say in one way or the other, moving forward, such changes it me in your effect will game in so and it's not a man surprise to me and say national team a year or mining dear and who take a decision be I was say a decision on mining in other support.
So mining in me appointed coach or any per could never appointed or minor supporting. But here is the case, the per could also more appointing appointee, not Ghana for yem for so.
And I make us a national team in
idea.
Decision be I am a person in
there be better only me only take one yet take decision. Any per could be and a day in football, na show monsa. Oh, my say, Omo into Omo and a bit too coach. Okay, you remember I was a Rafa Kofi Attakorah on a dear Jumani mana, a beboa. Into any Jumani Attakorah, not Madiba, Zuba, Bismarck, Obibia, and support it. Kofi Attakorah. But here is the case. You dear Jumani Kofi Attakorah no. Come and answer there be on to me yet. Zuba on deserve it. Madiba so w we cry me bonfire mana enye. So what you say? Aha, and there na me mente ase.
Into Eugene, and also the honor and my surprises in the buy. Looking at all these circumstances, any new man a year surrounded around the team, not the team or my team are standing out tall at this crucial moment. Eugene, Yebeka say, on my idea, and yeah, on my idea, no, a plus to the team, a plus to the head coach. One thing I was say, Otto Addo edition the 3 minutes say every coach or area or very strong. You will coach be or far club edini free wilderness, especially teams be a omoko relegation. You will teams be a coaches or redeeming experts. Or relegation. Ususu say this person what the Jumadiani mana per time now the man no Andrew or no what me as surrender at the way free relegation. Your coaches be or mutimi boa emma clubs it me sporty talents. Your coaches be or mo boa emma clubs it me secure qualification at the elite stage. Into over teams be to say Nottingham Forest more quite more fast by and it's hard to take someone special and you remember. Your coaches be on swa or your league experts, league no nimbo. Your coaches be on swa on him cup games games are born home and away.
Otto Addo
has now cemented himself in World Cup qualifiers. Yes. Whether you like it or yes, the stats are there to make sure say this area there or very well established. Because the last 3 AFCON World Cup qualifiers our born were away, Eugene. Nina Otto Addo elusuye.
Jo no fine into some na the games now are bono. The matches are bonina na stars.
Now no ewo Mashawood Abiola Sports Stadium. With me a survive enya a point, enya a goal. Etimi the World Cup in 2022 that was in Qatar.
And na Madiba no nya adwen.
Eugene na no so anso wa na no so ye de adwuma ne man on the first game ewo away March 26 Sports Stadium Bamako. Otto Addo esa ko survive o shema 2-1 enra against Madagascar away was I go win it 3-0. So me can say Otto Addo no, he is a specialist in terms of World Cup qualifiers. Ebia when menya adwen ebia coach ne kra no. The reason why I'm making saying is I was really surprised during one of the pressers ye busa no na ontimi enya that confidence and build it on that momentum as a coach na on develop on from there. But Eugene, that's credible from Otto Addo. What say when it comes to the qualifiers, what say when the World Cup is at stake, no jina dagouta.
Okay.
We
Mesa you heard Otto Addo in the last 4 games in the World Cup qualifiers. Na you heard Oshe Mali. Mali the is a 2-1 and now 1-0. 2-1. Okay. And Central African Republic on the ball 4-3. Chad 5. And Madagascar 3. Join your live on Facebook here. The stars no atoso na yes, the coach is really working.
He's really working. And a mama why I say you know the results here there are 2 jerseys here. No? It's a confirmation say we're a specialist in World Cup qualifiers.
Okay.
Ebia you might not agree. Ebia so also say opponent we share say you know we shouldn't give him that accolade. But Eugene at this stage say coach about 6 games. Not only should crowd there, I think say a plus and we should hold on to that achievement, you know, him developing on. And this is a coach Enra, and I said the last 2 games we saw tactical variations at display.
Tactical variations.
Yes. Our formation was setting up against Chad. Directly different from the setting up against Madagascar.
Madagascar no about 3 back.
Yes. So this is telling you say coach no sunya. This is telling you say coach no even though say you mudu do na any more confidence but ono so person say give me time, give me period, I will be able to turn things around. And I mean say Thomas Tepati go na unya you know a goal a beboa yen pe ye pa me kana ma sa kire mu say empempi we national team a uhia say u players ebebo league a highly competitive and so Ghana the EPL and no more right here to the occasion. Emma Ghana, it's minya the survival because Jordan are you?
Can I answer? I'm assuming no one yagre. Sheboa Gideon Mensa boy.
Gideon Mensa boy.
Alexander Jukuboy.
But
a boy Salis boy.
This is
if you were her boy, Francis Abu. A boy.
This is 3 players or more output a boy Ghana from
because a boy there now can say or more EP or Nimkwane stand-out players.
Of course they were not the only players but let me just say we are country now who players about competitive league a drew period beer we benefit from these players.
But young kind soon to say one and a boy I qualify for AFCON you.
Oh, say party for some time. AFCON qualifies in the year.
Last 2 matches no amebo. Maybe and as my make him, Hadiba as my make him boy. Last 2 matches no amebo. Ni nyina nebo.
In an inquiry.
Yes. Last 2 no amebo.
No. Now your team no problem.
Problem,
physical problem, spiritual problem. So many things and a bonder around the team.
They say
you could see the boys display national team. And Thomas Tepati for some period no team in Fabon to Ghana over 192 days. No team she go Ghana. So a plus to him and let's say this is the 15th career goal for the Black Stars at 51 appearances. And Eugene Thomas Patenso a signal himself when it comes to World Cup qualifiers. Was 9 goals in 12 World Cup qualifiers.
9 goals.
Yes. So we said the acquired coach a single himself as World Cup qualifier specialist. You know. Thomas Patenso as a player and so joining the fold, you know, said the bear will beat me a ball, man Ghana. And lastly, Ansana Madi Baba. The player, he say, we talk of town, Benjamin Asare. Eugene, we are very good in terms of organizing the defense. But one thing, also with me develop it as a player, which is now the hallmark of goalkeepers. Eye omo kick. Goalkeeper watch baller. Your kick. And I could count about 5-6 kicks ni nyina no na ontimi locate player.
Okay.
Inti moving forward, say head coach Amia Yawe say for now he is Ghana's number 1. And oye Ghana's number 1 no on kai hunu say attention beba no so. And attention eba no so no. E be besa stretch to House of Folk players no. Say House of Folk defenders no mo very careful because they say Benjamin Asare, there's going to be a spotlight on Benjamin Asare. Say indeed is he the number 1 goalkeeper for the national team. It is say we a defender now that Benjamin Asare anymore. I was with me Bob Wano said the those who are waiting to lambaste him based on position now when no. I think said this time round I was say has players with me boa na Benjamin Asare with me secure on the spot national team no. Said the bear with me aboard the team alive because ye boni di bebre nyina no. And now we media space cinema for the first time has dominated.
It has right.